Welcome back to our channel. We have heard you and we are back with something special. At the request of our amazing subscribers, today we are diving into practical, real world examples of how IFRS standards are applied in everyday business scenarios. Let's make IFRS feel less theory and more like a part of your everyday toolkit. Today's episode is all about decoding how to correctly recognize an asset. If you lease something for 99 years, is it truly a lease or does it qualify as ownership? Should you apply IFRS 16 and recognize a right of use asset and lease liability? Or does it fall under IAS 16 and get recognized as property, plant, and equipment? Let's break it down and find out which standard really applies. Imagine a company leases a piece of land for 99 years. The title deed says lessor, lease term, etc. The company builds a factory on that land. No one else can use it. They have full control, exclusive access, decision making authority, and long term use. So now the question is this still a lease or does it resemble ownership? Should it be recognized as a right of use asset and lease liability under IFRS 16 or as property, plant, and equipment under IAS 16? To answer this question, we need to understand the core difference between IFRS 16 and IAS 16. IFRS 16 applies when a company leases an asset. The company doesn't own it but has the right to use it for a period of time. So, it recognizes a right of use asset and a lease liability. On the other hand, IAS 16 applies when the company owns the asset. It has full control, bears the risk and rewards, and can even sell or transfer it. In that case, the asset is recognized as property, plant, and equipment. So here, the key difference is right to use versus ownership and control. Here's the catch. In accounting, substance always wins over form. Just because the title deed says lease, lessor, etc., it doesn't automatically mean it's treated as one under IFRS 16. What really matters is control. In our example, the company has full control over the land just like an owner would. So even though it's a lease, the substance of the arrangement is ownership. That's why the land must be recognized as property, plant, and equipment under IAS 16. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such accounting insights. Follow for more videos that make complex standards simple. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.